Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Shizuka from Doraemon. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw a bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across about this much and connect at the bottom. There, so just a nice round curve right there. And then let's come back to where we started and we're going to draw her eyes. So I'm going to come to the edge and draw a circle. And come right across and do the same thing. So about right here. There, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Let's come to the side right here. I'm just going to give it two lashes so they're straight. Just two of them at an angle, and same thing here. And then let's give her a smile. So right here in the center, about right here, just going to give her a curve for a smile and cap it off. Then let's come to the side where her eyes are and we're going to draw her ears. So about right here, just going to put in a curve. Come in here with details, so two curves, and same thing over here. So just where her eyes are, right there, and two curves. So now that we have that in, we can draw her bangs. So we're going to bring this up a little bit more, curve it in, about right there. And I'll start on this side. So it's very distinctive bangs. There's three of them. So I'm going to start right here, come down with a curve, go up, and we're going to draw the center one that comes down lower. So about right here, bring it down between the eyes and go back up. So just keep in mind we have three of them we need to draw. Come down and one more. So we're going all the way across. And then right here, whatever space you have left, you can just go ahead and finish off her face. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up. And we're just going to finish these bangs up. So at the top right here, let's say about right in this area, I'm going to go one curve, two curve, and three, and connect back. There. Okay, so then we can go ahead and finish the rest of her hair. So come right back to where her ears are. We're going to bring up a curve on both sides. So let's just bring it all the way up. So say about right here. This is easier for my hand to come down. I'll just come from the center and come down. There. So now that's all done. And then we can draw her pigtails. So come about where her ears are. We're just going to pop them out. Here and here. Just give it two strands and connect. So same thing here. So just drag this point across approximately. Right there, and then kind of like where her ears are. And we're just aiming to have approximately the same size. So same thing right here. Come in and connect. There. Okay, so then now we can draw her body. So let's give her a tiny little neck right here in the center. And then we're going to bring it out for her shoulders, curve it out. Oops, curve it out and down. Curve it out and down. Then let's come right here, give it a curve for her collar. Imagine where her armpits are, so say about right here and here. I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. From there, I'll bring this down a tiny bit more and connect. At the bottom right here with a curve. And let's come back up here and draw her collar. So come back to the center, and we're just going to draw 2 angle lines and bring it up on both sides. There. And then you can come in here and just finish up this part, just connect it. And then let's draw her skirt first. So let's come back right where you have this curve right here, these 2 points, and we're going to pop out a curve. Say about that much. And connect. So just keep in mind we want it lower at the bottom, the center, and then it goes up. And from there we can go ahead and draw her legs. So right in the center, I'm just going to give myself a point. And from this center point, I'm going to bring out 2 slight angle lines. And right here, so her legs will be about right here and here. Okay, so let me work on this side first. Let's bring this down. We're getting thinner as we come down, so this is pretty much straight. This one is going to angle. About right there, and then we're going to curve it out for her feet. For shoe and connect. So same thing here. And angle all the way down, thinner. And for her shoes. A little bit thinner. There. Okay, so then for her shoes, let's come right here and give it a curve. And then a little curve that comes out. And then the inside right here, just going to give it a curve. Just same thing here, just a little notch and then curve. And then she has a pair of socks, so say about right here. I'll just go ahead and add a curve. And pop it out if you like. There. Okay, so now we can draw her arms. And I'm having them nice and simple to her side. So about right here, I'm going to curve it in and then out. And right here, just whatever space you have left, just add a curve. And about right here, I'll cut it off. And then just draw her hands right here. And just add 2 little curves right there for fingers. Okay, so same thing here. So about right here, we're going to bend it at the waist and come out. I'm just going to drag a point across and make sure I'm about the same. And connect. And then once again, her thumb and fingers. There. And that is pretty much it, except of course, let's add a heart right here. So now she's my Shizuka from Doraemon from Draw So Cute. So there, I really hope you love how she turned out, that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.